Most easy way to enhance low quality videos to 4K. Best AI video enhancer app on Android. You can try free as for now. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. Hope you're doing great and fantastic. New to my channel, subscribe to support if you want. Click on the plus button in the bottom right side. Then tools and AI repair. Choose your video and this type of interface appear. Various AI tools such as models, resolution, frame interpolation, denoise and the color. First of all, the model HD and Ultra HD works on all type of videos, portrait, landscape, whatever. But the portrait is only used for the face videos. And then we have resolution 1080p 2K and 4K. Choose which one your device supported. 4K is the best. Interpolation increase your video frames in addition to real frames 30 into 60 or the 120 fps, which makes your video overall motion smooth. And last we have the denoise, which removes the noise. Color and the night mode is something similar. Once all the parameters settings selected, click on the tick button to begin the processing. This will take some time. Then you can see the comparison by slider. Click on the compare button. I still remember when this app very first time came on the App Store. I am the very first on the YouTube reviewed this app almost 3 or 4 years ago. After a few months of my review, a lot of things happen and I covered in my video. You can check out by click on the top right side card. I am pretty sure you are going to know in depth about this app. Which one you don't know already and no one covered on the YouTube. You can check out my video enhancer playlist and let me know what you think about it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with a new video.